We have a pole line we're constructing here for redundancy from one substation to the next. We're setting 55 Class 1 poles. We're constructing about 2 miles of line. Pike Electric's doing the work for us. They're setting 4 or 5 poles a day. They're framing 4 or 5 after they set these for the following day's work. So it's about 2 miles of line, and they're going quite well at it. We're using a single axle trailer or truck with it being a T-Rex, so it's handling the poles quite well, and as you can see through the film, they're moving along very good.